A courtroom filled with quiet tension. An elderly man with military medals pinned on his jacket steps forward. His voice trembles, but his eyes reflect decades of sacrifice. Suddenly, an arrogant lawyer interrupts. With a smug grin, he dismisses the man's service as irrelevant to the case. The entire room freezes. Gasps echo. The camera cuts to Judge Caprio. His eyes narrow. The warmth that usually defines his courtroom disappears in an instant. The war veteran, 78 years old, stands tall despite the insult. He calmly explains that he fought for the very freedoms allowing this lawyer to practice law today. The courtroom listens in stunned silence, but the lawyer scoffs, rolling his eyes, arms crossed, projecting arrogance. He whispers something under his breath, loud enough for everyone to hear. That was decades ago. Doesn't matter anymore. The audience shifts uncomfortably. Some shake their heads. The tension is unbearable. Judge Caprio leans forward. His voice is calm but carries weight. He reminds the lawyer that respect is the foundation of justice. But instead of backing down, the lawyer smirks again, thinking his charm and credentials will shield him. At this point, the video feels like it could go either way. Will the lawyer get away with it or face the consequences? The veteran reveals something no one expected. He had been awarded multiple medals of honor, including one for saving fellow soldiers under fire. He fought not for glory, but so others could live. The entire courtroom is visibly moved. Tears glisten in the eyes of spectators. Even those who came for minor cases sit frozen, captivated by his story. But the lawyer? He laughs dismissively. So what? We're here for traffic tickets, not a history lesson. The air shifts instantly. The disrespect crosses a line no one thought he'd dare to cross. Judge Caprio slowly removes his glasses, staring directly at the lawyer. His tone sharpens, filled with disappointment and controlled fury. He delivers words that cut deeper than any finer punishment. This courtroom is not just about laws, it's about people. You insulted a man who sacrificed more than you will ever understand. And today, the consequence is yours to bear. Gasps ripple through the crowd as Judge Caprio declares sanctions against the lawyer, along with a formal complaint to the Bar Association. The lawyer's confident smirk vanishes. His face drains of color. He realizes his arrogance didn't just fail him, it ended his career. The veteran standing tall receives a wave of respect from the entire room. Applause erupts. As the lawyer leaves in disgrace, Judge Caprio does something unforgettable. He personally thanks the veteran, honoring his service with the dignity denied moments earlier. The twist? The veteran reveals he never wanted to humiliate the lawyer. All he wanted was respect, not for himself, but for every soldier who gave their all. The camera lingers on Judge Caprio, visibly emotional, before fading to black. Sometimes justice isn't about laws or punishment. It's about reminding the world of the values we must never forget.